people.
We tried again.
BJJ people.
Now will you show them how you go through the tunnel? Show them how fast you run. What do you say? Ta-da! Say happy birthday again. So you sing the song? Do you sing?
Yeah.
Go.
Happy birthday to people.
Good. Is that it?
Yeah.
Do you love him?
Yeah.
Do you miss him? How much do you love him? A little or a lot?
A lot.
Anything else to say?
Yeah.
Okay. Say bye.
Bye.